Want to move your crypto from Binance to Revolut? Here's the step-by-step process. First of all, open your Binance app. Now make sure to log into your account. Then you want to head over to the wallet section. Now you want to tap on the withdraw option, then choose whether you're sending crypto or fiat. In this guide, we'll use crypto. To withdraw crypto, select the currency you want to send. For example, if you're withdrawing Litecoin, tap on it and choose Send via Crypto Network. Now, you'll need your Revolut wallet address. For that, you want to open the Revolut app, then head over to crypto section and pick same currency you're transferring. Revolut will generate a wallet address, copy it. Now head back over to Binance, paste the wallet address into recipient address field and make sure the network matches Revolut supported network. Enter the amount you want to transfer or simply tap max to send everything. Double check the details, then tap withdraw. Binance will process the transaction and once confirmed on the blockchain, the funds will appear on your Revolut account under crypto. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.